Today I'm going to be sharing with you the top tips that I've got, things that travel agents don't want you to know because it's going to save you money. I'm going to link everything down there, and I will also put some notes down there that you can go and revisit later. The number one thing, quite a lot of you already know this, especially if you're in part of my Facebook groups, you want to be searching for your trip in a private browser. Now, what this means is that you click to go into incognito mode, and the reason is this. If you keep going in and out of their website and looking at all the different options for your trips that you can get, I say trips because they're not always holidays for people. They might be a work trip or some other thing. It might not be a holiday, but in and out, and they're saying, oh, it looks like there's going to be some interest in this particular hotel on this particular day and time. Therefore, we'll hike up the prices. Don't ask me how that's legal, but they do, and they're allowed to do it. The best thing you can do is to keep searching in your incognito browser. It's as simple as that. And then they won't know who's looking, where's looking, that you're actually looking in the first place, and the prices will not be hiked up. That's tip number one. Tip number two is try and book it on a Tuesday night. People, when they get paid, they'll be like, right, what are we going to do with this money? Oh yeah, we're going to book ourselves a trip. So if you book on a Tuesday night, it's generally the day that people haven't just been paid. It's generally a funny old day of the week because, again, on a Friday, people are like, what should we do? Tuesday nights is normally the night that you think, got Monday out the way, Wednesday's not here yet, we're not going towards the weekend. Tuesday's a bit of a nothing day, an early night kind of day. So leave it until bedtime and then book it then. So you can find out all the prices and things like that, but there's a chance that it may be slightly down in cost on a Tuesday night compared to another day. And again, it's just supply and demand. So the more that the travel agents see searching going up and the demand for the place, the more they're going to hike up the price. And we know this is a fact. This is not rubbish because you've seen what they cost in school holidays time. Again, not really fair, but it's the way that it is. So let's try and limit our costs as much as we possibly can. Something else they might not want you to know. Now, I've recently had a little bit of a difficulty with a certain person in my groups saying, oh, that's an affiliate link and you didn't make it clear. I always make it transparently clear if I've got affiliate links, and generally if they offer booking trips, not always, but a lot of the time they will be affiliate links. What does that mean? So that means that instead of you paying all of the money to the company, you'll pay 99% of it to the company, and 1% of the profit may come to somebody like me. So you can go online, you can go on their website, you can have a little look at what it costs on their website, and if you really want to go and book it in a bricks and mortar store because you feel old-fashioned or you feel that that's what you want to do, take that deal, maybe screenshot it, and go into the store and say, can you meet this? Because they're giving you a level of service which you have to pay for. So if you're going into a bricks and mortar store, it will cost you more. Always. It will cost you more. And I think fair enough. They've got to pay for the chairs they sit on. They've got to pay for their sandwich on their lunch break. They've got to pay the staff. You are going to pay more than you would online. Now, when you book online, if you do it through an affiliate link with somebody like me, it's just the same. You know, if you've ever gone to like the Martin Lewis website and looked for a mortgage, say, for example, you'll get all the information you get out of him. And when you click that link on his website to take you to the mortgage company, that's an affiliate link. The same as TripAdvisor, the same as Expedia. Any of these places, they're all affiliate marketing, and it's very much a way of the world now. So you can book it online. It will generally be cheaper if you're going to give a little bit of money to the small person like me, because otherwise we're doing all of these things and giving you all this information. You're just coming and getting it for free rather than sharing it amongst the small businesses. If you ask them to match the price, they generally will. Now, there's one other thing where I do sit on the fence with this. If you go and speak to a rep in the resort, they'll give you all the information about going on certain trips and things like that. And when they give you that information about the trips, again, you're going to be paying for their service. You could look it up yourself. Say if it's TUI, for example, you can go on the app and they will give you a 10% discount. If you're talking to the rep in the hotel, you could ask for that 10% discount. They may give it to you, but that also might be part of their commission that they make. And they have sales figures to hit. They are salespeople. And I personally would give that, I wouldn't ask for that 10%. If I'm booking it through the rep, I would expect to pay that money because that's their commission. They're giving you all of their advice for free, and these things cost money. Like, how often do you go to a financial advisor and say, I want you to tell me the best mortgage that I'm going to get, 100% guarantee it, but I'm not prepared to pay you for your time? They'd be like, goodbye, see you later. On YouTube, obviously, we give our time willingly, and, you know, we're very grateful if you do click on the links. So there's some definite deals there. I'm going to share with you another time. I'm going to do a screen capture to show you how to get the best out of the deals so that you can look at the cheapest day of the year. It's not all about cheap, of course. Some of you want to spend money on luxury, but some of you will want to find how to get the best deals. So make sure you've subscribed to find out that. I will do that for you in another video. In the next video coming up that's going to be like this, I will show you all the different places I've visited and what my honest opinion is on all of those so far. It's going to be raw. It's going to be a little bit nerve-wracking for me to make it, but make sure you're here for that because you're going to want to hear that. I know so many of you come because you've seen where I've been and you think, oh, that looks nice, but I'm going to tell you the real honest truth. I'll see you in that next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.